Hi everybody, this is Sam with Python Basics, and we're going to look at the collections module. So alright, let's just do what we do and import it. Collections. And if you're new here, thanks for joining us. This is what we do. We just kind of go through and do one topic at a time. So alright, this is a awesome module that, here we go, and we're just going to start digging into it in the next go round. But it has everything that you have seen before. The one that I think is the most cool is the counter, but it has everything in here. Let's see, I should just do dir again. Let's just do dir so we can see. I forget how big the help is, but let's see, collections. Alright, the first one we're going to do next video is counter. But this is the module that lives. It's a built-in module from Python, and as you can see, it has it helps with tuples, containers, counter, mapping. It is so cool. I absolutely love it. The next video that we're gonna do on this is you're really gonna see the uses of it, and we'll go over all of them in here. But real quick video today, just wanted, in case you were unaware of it, just wanted to introduce you to it, and we will begin digging into it in the next couple of videos. So as always guys, please leave any comments, questions, or any video requests below, and I'll get right to them. As always, thanks for watching, stay tuned, and we'll see you next time. Bye guys.